This is CPM Calculus, Chapter 3, number 67. Expand the following trig expressions. So here we have sine of x plus y. So that's just the sum identity for sine, right? So we know that that is equal to sine x cosine y plus cosine x times sine y, right? So this is one that you're going to want to have very ready all the time. Just know that this is the expansion. And I also put I think it's either the sine or the cosine. I put a proof of this, or I linked the proof on the playlist for chapter 3. Okay, so cosine x plus y we know is cosine x cosine y minus sine x sine y. Okay, so over here in part C, it's similar, but you don't really need to memorize all 4 of these if you memorize the first 2, right? That's equals. If this is the same thing as sine of x plus negative y, right? So then you can just go ahead and copy this, right? Being sine x cosine, well, y now is negative y, plus cosine x sine of negative y, right? And we know that cosine, remember cosine, the one property of it is it's even, so cosine of negative y is the same as cosine y. So this is just sine x cosine y, right? Cosine x here, and a property of sine of sine, remember, is odd. So sine of negative is just negative y is going to be negative sine of y. So we can put that negative out front, and it's going to be negative sine of y. Okay? Similarly, for cosine, we can just look at this one and know it's going to be cosine of x plus negative y. We get cosine x cosine negative y minus sine x sine negative y, right? We know the property of cosine, it's even, so this makes it positive and the same. Property of sine is that it's odd, so we're going to distribute that negative here, and it's going to look like this, okay? And again, there's a proof of why these are true, and you could find many proofs of why these are true as well online. All right, this ends CPM Calculus Chapter 3, number 67.